Highlights: max power 1000 W, size, inch, W, 8-3/8 x, H, 2-1/16 x, D, 5/7/8 variable low-pass filter bass boost optional wired remote ready output coil with magnetic shield prevents magnetic flux from radiating from the subwoofer's coil resulting in reduced noise and enhanced sound quality. Sliding terminal cover detachable. Sliding terminal cover offers a sleek design and easier installation. Variable gain circuit improved signal-to-noise ratio. One-side connection. All terminals and connections are on one side for easier installation and a cleaner look. Speaker level input harness. Speaker level input harness is included to connect to speaker wires from factory-installed receivers. Optional wired level control. Ready. The optional KCA-RC01A wired remote level control allows you to easily adjust the subwoofer volume. What's in the box? By 502-1 Subwoofer Amplifier. Speaker level input harness mounting screws. Owner's manual specifications. CTA 2006 primary ratings. Power output 300 watts RMS X1 at 4 ohms and 1% THD+N signal-to-noise ratio, 85 dBA. Reference: 1 watt into 4 ohms. Maximum power output. Max power 1000 W. Rated power output at 14.4 volts A, B, 4 ohms A, B, 2 ohms, sub, 4 ohms, 300 watts RMS X1, 4 ohms 20 to 200 Hz 0.5% THD, sub, 2 ohms, 500 watts RMS X1, 2 ohms 100 Hz 0.5% THD, A, B, bridged 4 ohms, specification signal-to-noise ratio, 100 decibels, reference, rated power into 4 ohms at 14.4 volts, frequency response, 20 Hz to 200 Hz, plus 0 decibels to 3 decibels, frequency response, input impedance, 10 k ohm. Speaker impedance, 4, 2 to 8 allowable, bridged connection, audio section. Low pass filter, 50 Hz to 200 Hz minus 24 decibels. October high pass filter, bass boost, 40 Hz 0 decibels plus 18 decibels. Infrasonic filter, 25 Hz minus 24 decibels. RCA input sensitivity, 0.2, V, 5.0, V, speaker level input sensitivity, 4.0, V, 12.0, V, terminals. Battery ground, M6 screw type terminal block. Spea. Top reviews from the United States. Great amp for the price. Amp works very well, have had no issues with it at all. Highly recommend.